without knowing why. And feelings I live in everything we had. The process.
L-I-E. Look, can somebody tell me why these niggas lying? Yeah, my bitch get up the heat and she like to ride it.
Before this video starts, I just want to say I'm gonna have a link in the description. Hey, he got some nice music. I don't know who the hell he is, but hey, his music, I feel it. It's just like, hee. But hey, what's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's Famous Lonnie here, Famous Gang. Don't ask why I got the towel on me. I don't know. I was just chilling, my nigga. I got the shower not too long ago, but as you can see by the title, this video is just like how to maintain your free-flowing dreads. No methods, no none of that. You don't need shit for real, my nigga. Like, this is really simple and easy, and the only thing I do is just be here, watch the video, follow the steps, and do this shit every day, and your hair will become something like this, my nigga. Like, you don't need no taper like this far back. I just like my taper like that. But yeah, like, hey, I kind of need a haircut, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, basically what you gonna need is, I'm about to get straight to this. Like, yeah, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and yeah. So what you can need is probably just grab a microfabric towel, and hold on, I gotta get my 2 buns. All right, so you can need just some ponytail holders and a microfabric towel, and depending on how your hair is, you can have this type of sponge, my nigga. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is, bro, you gotta put your hair in buns every night. You got to, my nigga. I don't care who you is, I don't care how long your hair is, it gotta go in a bun, because that's the main factor. How you want your hair to grow if it ain't in no bun, my nigga. So I'm gonna put my junk in 2 buns. Actually, I'm gonna put it in 2 buns. So yeah, hold up, let me see.
I know I'm kind of far back from the camera, but yeah, I'm gonna come closer. I never put my shit in 2 buns, I just always throw it in 1. So yeah, I don't know how this shit about to look, but yeah. Hey, we go crazy. God damn, I can't grip this shit. Alright, so.
Remember, always go to sleep in buns. This is my buns, they don't look that good. My nigga, I don't like them. Like, I just go to sleep in these hoes when I feel like it. And yeah, you gotta brush down the front too. Like, where you don't want your hair at, I mean, where you cut your hair at and shit, like, you gotta make sure, oh, fuck. God damn, all these white people staring at me and shit. I got my blinds open so I can have some type of light in this bit. But yeah, all these white people staring at me and shit, that's
Hey, I fuck with my white people, just saying.
Yeah, so basically, make sure you always got buns. That's like a main factor. I don't know if I should cut off my fan. Is it fucking up the quality? But look, basically always had these, my nigga, always had these. Like, bro, you gotta keep these. I don't care if you got small rubber bands, you better make 20 buns, my guy. But look, hold on, I don't fuck with the sponge, but I'm gonna still give y'all the tip, because a lot of versions just gonna be like, oh, why he not telling us to use the sponge? The sponge make dread, bro. They don't make dreads. They could put dents in your hair when your hair real thin, but when your hair real long, they can string them up and attach. Like, look, hold up. This is how you really use a sponge. Ah, shit. All right, this shit fucking hurt. I can't use this shit. But yeah, all my fucking hair just keep getting stuck inside of this shit. So that's another reason why I can't use these. Like, I don't fuck with the sponge, my guy. But this hoe right here, this bit right here is crucial. It's called a microfabric towel. This is not the towel that I used to use, but shit, I guess it's microfabric, my guy. No, this is actually the microfabric towel right here. I didn't even know I had this bit still, but yeah, this is a microfabric towel. Like, if you feel it, like, it's like static. So like, what you do is bring it to the side, bring your hair to the side. I know your hair don't probably, just pull it to the side, and with the microfabric towel, twist this shit, 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 twist it all the way around. And this thing work good when you got like growing hair, not like this, because like I don't need to do shit with my hair now, but like retwist it. And that's why I'm gonna show y'all, like 2-string twisting in the buns. Oh my god, it's a fly on my window. I wanna punch that nigga dead in this shit, but I'm gonna knock down my camera, so I ain't gonna do that. Bitch, why you not moving? You know, if I was on the other side of that glass, you wouldn't do that. You bum ass nigga. All right, he ain't moving, nah. But if I was on the other side, I bet he would have been moving and shit. But look, so basically a 2-string twist, like just ripped, like y'all got afros and shit, right? So just listen closely. Fuck, I don't even know which one to grab. There's so much hair. All right, shit. All right, so look, I'm gonna do it in the middle. So look, you see all these hairs? Just rip it, just motherfucking literally rip 2 apart and twist them like these, my nigga, all the way until you get to the tips. Just keep on twisting. If it's not that long, you could still 2-string twist. Everybody could 2-string twist their hair, my guy. Everybody. You could 2-string twist your hair. So don't comment and say, what is a 2-string twist? Because I'm letting you know you could 2-string twist your shit. And look, another step, like, don't wash your hair a lot when it's not dreaded. At least at the tips, when it's not dreaded, don't wash your hair a lot. I don't know which one better. I don't like kneeling over like these. But like these, it's like y'all niggas can't see me. And then the fan, that bitch fucking up the quality. Fuck this shit. All right, look. So basically what you gotta do is a 2-string twist about every night. Make sure you put your shit in buns. Make sure you're not washing your hair a lot when it's like not really dreaded. And another step is basically like, where this shit at? Oh. I put this shit in my hair a lot. As you can see, I put this shit in my hair a lot. Like this shit, it's the bomb. Hold on, I got something else for y'all. Oh shit. All right. You can put this shit in your hair too. Automatic dreads. I don't even know what it is. I think it's like coconut lotion. I don't know. The shit gone, but like, it ain't gone, but like, the letter's gone. But like, both of these motherfuckers right here, like this. Good thumbnail. But like, look, both of these motherfuckers right here, that's easy badge. Like, they got all the badges. Like, when you put this in your hair, especially if you're black people, like, bro, this junk is helping. Like, I got the tricks, methods, all, like, this ain't even a method. This is just tips and tricks. You can need both of those right off rip because, like, those is a main key factor, my guy. Both of those is a main key factor. I don't know why I got this towel on, but I'm feeling it, so. Hey, you see me in a towel in every video, just know I'm in my bag. You know what I'm saying? I'm in my bag. But look, hey, another thing is, when you getting a haircut, make sure you tell them to don't keep, like, trim it to a point where the sides not attached to the, like, the dreads, my nigga. Cause what it's gonna do, it's gonna fold it up like this. And look, this is how you get that G money here too. Oh shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why my shit always fold down. Like, I want it to like kind of stand up, but at the same time, I don't even know what to do because like, it's gonna always just fall down. But look, I could put my shit in one bun too. I literally like, hold up. I literally never do it, but I could do it.
So, yeah. Bro, I got one piece of hair that always fuck up my bun, bro. It's so long, I feel like I'm gonna rip it.
Hey, but my bun nice now, my guy. You know what I'm saying? You gotta go like these, you can be Gucci. Look ugly shit. God, my whole swag just left, my guy. God damn. Alright, there we go. Hey, but look, you got any questions, you could DM me. My next video, it might be a what is it called? Rating subscribers here. So if you could DM me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I need everybody to go follow me. I want like 10K on Instagram by the end of the year. So yeah, if you're new, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you go, I want 1K views on my Snapchats too and shit. So like everybody, make sure y'all go add me on Snapchat. I kind of reply to some, I reply to some niggas. Like, I'm a normal ass nigga. I don't reply to everybody. But like, I try to reply to as much people as I can. Yeah, if you trying to play the game or some shit, we could go crazy. Like, just DM me, my nigga. I'ma reply, most likely. If you new, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Dude, all you gotta do is Famous Lonnie, Famous Gang. You know what I'm saying? Famous Gang, and I'm signing out, my nigga. Y'all have a good ass day. Let's get it.